Look at this, what I found. This nice lion mane, basically lion hair mushroom. Nice big mushroom on the tree. Beautiful. Let me harvest this precious mushroom. Let me, look at this. Lion mane mushroom. This is the lion mane mushroom. Oh my. Holy moly. Look at this. How big it is. Oh my beauty. This is the lion mane mushroom. This is lion mane mushroom. Holy big. Precious. This is lion mane mushroom which I harvested today. I wanna show you how to cook and eat. Actually, some Asian people eat as raw. This is a very good health benefit. So you can look at the internet, search what's the health benefit about it. This is the beauty. Let's cook and eat. With just butter, garlic, saute, and some different style. Let's eat. Let's cook. Garlic, butter, salt and pepper. Saute. Sausage and Hannibal wood and what? Lion mane mushroom with sausage and soy sauce. Add up some onion.
Garlic powder, sesame, red pepper powder.
Put the oil first. This supplement, that medicine.
The supplement.
Yeah. This is the beauty of a mushroom meal. Let's taste it. This is a garlic, salt, butter, garlic, salt, pepper. Just a plain taste. delicious. Looks feel healthy.